Today we will discuss one interesting concept of JavaScript, that is string. Here we define a string high profile inside a variable message. The important thing is to note here the string is immutable. That means once we create it, we cannot change it. Even though we try to change the string, then it will create another copy of it. And the string is a kind of iterable property, or it is a kind of array of different character. So to access like individual element or individual character, we can use the square bracket and pass the index. See, in this side, if you pass message like 0, h will be printed. If you try to pass 1, I will be printed, and so on. So if you try to assign another character, like for example t, there is no error, it will be printed. But actually there is no change or effect to the original message variable. It will still point to the high profile. If you try to print it, it will print the high profile again. So let's see an example here. Like we define a string here, and as I saw you, like if you try to loop through individual character, we can use a traditional for loop or a new improved for of loop to loop through the individual character and print it out. So the individual element will be printed high profile. Okay, so if we can access individual character as well, like 0, 1, and so on, and we can also assign like a new character, so there is no error here if you notice here. But if I try to print message, there is no effect to that, there is no t over here, so it is still pointing to the original string. I hope you learned something today.